Guys, it's the Elkhart Boys here, and we found a free vending machine. We know where a free vending machine is, so we're gonna go over to the free vending machine. Okay, so let's head over. It's really sunny out right now, so we're just gonna head over to the free vending machine. Let's hope it still is a free vending machine. Guys, we're just walking into the place with the free vending machine, and sorry if you couldn't hear us back there. This is the free vending machine. That truck was really annoying. We screamed at him. He got out of his car. We ran. Okay, I'll post a video of that later. JK, we didn't actually. So let's see ya later. We're at the free vending machine. So I don't know what we're gonna get. I think me and Teddy both want cherry Pepsi maybe, or Dr. Pepper cherry. Which one should we get? Because cherry just makes everything good. Yeah. Or 7-Up cherry. That actually sounds pretty good. Okay, so we'll get Dr. Pepper cherry. Is that diet? That's Dr. Pepper cherry, I think. So we're gonna get a cherry Dr. Pepper. So that's D6. So take a D6. 6.
It literally works!
Oh my gosh! No way! Oh, free.
My gosh!
That's free. Free. Free.
Free Dr.
Free.
Free Dr. Pepper! Free! Oh, sure, I shook it up.
Oh,
God.
shake it up. So
Oh, God.
now we gotta go explode it, okay? Teddy's shaking it up and we're gonna explode this because we don't want to waste money because we got it for free, so we're gonna explode it for free. Yeah, we think. Okay, so Teddy's opening it. Oh gosh. Yeah, we did not open it all the way. Ooh, really bad at exploding stuff. Okay, put the cap on and shake it up more.
Okay. There's gonna be bees all over me later.
Go wash your hands after this. Okay, Teddy's shaking it up again. Just okay, no, do it. Come on, Teddy. Just take the top off right away.
Oh, what?
Oh, exploded! Oh, look at that! Look at that! Okay, now we gotta taste it and see if it still tastes the same. Those bubbles taste good.
Dude, that's funny.
Oh! Ew! So it's good? Mm-hmm. This is what happens when you try to drink it while it explodes. This is what happens to your face, so don't try that. Yeah, it exploded all over my face.
Unless you want that to happen.
Yeah, unless you want some Dr. Pepper all over your face. So thank you for watching. George here. He came in a little late, so thank you for watching, and we'll come back next time. See ya. It's the Elkhart Lake Boys signing off.